Today we're going to tour 2163 West Mountain Road. This is the best priced home, just a half-mile north of Tamarack, and the home has close to a half-acre that overlooks Lake Cascade. This home has no HOA and no CC&R, so it can be used as a short-term rental, and most all of the expensive repairs on the home have already been done. It has a new metal roof, a new wood-burning stove. It has, new kitchen appliances. They have a mixture of Frigidaire and Whirlpool that are stainless steel, and there's new carpet in the bedrooms. So while we're touring this home, I'm going to talk to you about a few features that I really like about this house. So in front of the home on the lakeside, there's RV parking where it has, water connection and a sewer clean out. The deck, also on the same side of the house, expands the whole length of the house and overlooks Lake Cascade. Another cool feature about this house is in the main bedroom. It has some really cool skis on the closet doors that shut and can close off the bathroom and hide the closets from just being exposed. So that's another really cool feature I love about this home. If this sounds like a home that you might want to tour, definitely reach out and give me a call. Or if you're just interested in information about Donley, I'm happy to answer questions anytime.